In this video, I will show you how to master the Dia browser and take full advantage of its powerful features for a better web experience. Many people are looking for ways to browse more efficiently, and this tool provides exactly what you need. To begin, navigate to the official website and download the installer that matches your operating system. Once you have it installed, pull up the main interface to see the clean design. The first step involves setting up your user profile so that your bookmarks and history stay synchronized across all your different devices. Next, let us dive into the privacy settings, since security is a top priority for most users today. You can easily toggle the internal ad blocker and tracker protection within the main settings menu to ensure a much faster loading speed for every site you visit. After that, explore the sidebar extensions which allow you to keep your messaging apps or notes right next to your active tabs. This layout makes multitasking feel much more natural and productive. To customize the look, head over to the theme gallery where you can choose from various dark modes or vibrant color schemes that suit your personal style. If you ever find yourself with too many tabs open at once, try using the tab stacking feature to group related pages together under a single label. Thank you for watching this guide and enjoy your new browsing experience.